What's up? I'm gonna talk a little bit about the wolves in sheep's clothing. That's what you gotta watch out for nowadays. Wolves in sheep's clothing. Tell you something about a wolf. Wolves are expert at manipulating the people around them. They appear interested in whatever you're doing, and you'll get the impression that they care. Now, after they get you where they want you, they'll do just enough to keep you on the hook. Anyone can turn towards God. Don't forget that part. But if a wolf is going to continue staying a wolf, then you need to get that wolf out of your house. Okay? Remember, we're better than that. We're bigger than that. Don't let the wolves walk over you. Get rid of them. Get them out of there. God bless you. Have a nice day.